Barrington Roof Tiles are reshaping the Australian roofing industry. They are renowned for their modern, streamlined, slate style, giving a natural slate look without the inherent problems of traditional materials, combining the beauty of slate with all the benefits of modern-day technology. Barrington Roof Tiles offers a fully designed, premium roofing system that is found on all styles of homes across Australia. Made in Australia for Australian conditions by CME, who have a long history of bringing new and innovative products to market in Australia and international markets. Barrington Roof Tiles require minimal maintenance, a common problem for terracotta and natural slate. They are so strong, each tile can hold up to 120 kilograms in weight, making walking on them a breeze. The slate roof tile weighs only 800 grams and measuring 300 by 336 millimeters. The roof slate shingle is slightly heavier and larger, weighing 1.3 kilograms and measuring 500 by 350 millimeters, and both products have a Coat Mark certification, featuring an interlocking design and molded water channels, which ensures they won't leak or distort when correctly installed. Barrington Roof Tiles have excellent weatherproof characteristics, including fire, hail, and UV resistance, making them suitable for all climates and conditions. Visit us at barringtonrooftiles.com.au.